Hi everyone, Timothy Just Simple. Today we're looking at importing data from Excel to Google Sheets. But remember, we always keep it simple. Let's get started. Okay, here, type sheets.new, enter. Well, a new page is loaded. Get file, go to import, then you can come here and upload, drag a file from your device. You can take any of these devices, any of these files. I'll take Booksimba, opening, so it is uploading. After the upload, you can replace the spreadsheet, create new, insert new sheet, or replace the spreadsheet. So I'll just replace this new one, then I'll import data. Well, this is all good and we're good to go. Good here. So I think we shall end here.